Hi students, good morning. Now continuation of in electrochemistry. So yesterday class I explained types of non-metal electrodes, hydrogen electrode, oxygen electrode and chlorine electrode, like that I finished. So among in all electrodes that represent cell reaction, it functions as anode. Anode means loss of electron. Next another one is continuation of gas ion electrode. So gas ion off cell. So in gas ion off cell, in gas ion off cell, gas ion off cell, when functions as cathode. In gas ion off cell, when functions as cathode also. Cathode. For example, so gas ion concentration molar and gas pressure atmosphere and platinum. So in gas ion off cell, when functions as the electrode functions. So in gas ion off cell, so when functions as cathode, the electrode function as when electrode when function, the electrode when function as a cathode, when functions as cathode, off cell when function as cathode. So here gas ion, concentration, molarity, gas, pressure, atmosphere and platinum. Let us consider as hydrogen gas electrode. Let us consider hydrogen gas. So when function as cathode, like that here H plus concentration, molarity or under hydrogen, pressure, atmosphere. So these are platinum. So next one is, so these are, before I explained the anode. Yesterday I explained the anode concept. Now today I explained cathode. In gas ion off cell, when functions as the electrode when function as a cathode. Now next one is here, okay. Next, the cathodic off cell reaction is the cathodic off cell reaction is 2H plus aqueous, 2 electrons, platinum gives rise H2 platinum, H2 gas platinum. So that is the cathodic off cell reaction represented. Off cell reaction is 2H plus gaining of electrons, 2 electrons with platinum. So hydrogen platinum. It is a hydrogen electrode. Anyway, in hydrogen electron both type of reaction takes place. So okay, oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. Cathode reaction and anode reaction also possible. Now the hydrogen electrode is also known as standard hydrogen electrode. Now after that, so the hydrogen electrode is also known as standard hydrogen electrode, SHA. Standard, very important point. This point very important. Now Now the hydrogen electrode is known as standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. When concentration of H plus ion is 1 molar. When concentration H plus ion is 1 molar and a pressure of 1 atmosphere pressure. So anyway, so hydrogen electrode. Now the hydrogen electrode is known as standard hydrogen electrode. So that is very important. This point important. Write a short note on standard hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode is also known as standard hydrogen electrode. When concentration of H plus ion is 1 molar and a pressure of 1 atmosphere pressure. So here hydrogen electrode pressure 1 atmosphere pressure, concentration 1 molar, that is considered as a standard hydrogen electrode. It is the reference for standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential. After that I will explain. It is the reference of standard reduction potential. So it is used for the reduction potential of other half cells. It is used for measurement of reduction potential of other half cells. So next one is it is used for measurement of reduction potential of standard reduction. It is used for measurement of standard reduction potential of other half cells. Standard reduction potential, after that I will explain. Anyway, hydrogen electrode generally known as standard hydrogen electrode. In standard hydrogen electrode, when the concentration of H plus ion 1 molar and pressure how much? 1 atmosphere pressure. So why hydrogen electrode is also known as standard hydrogen electrode? Because these are unity. Concentration 1 molar, 1 atmosphere pressure. That is known as standard hydrogen electrode. It is the pressure. Okay. It is the reference of standard reduction potential. It is used for the measurement of standard reduction potential of other half cells. It is a hydrogen electrode. So and a non-metal electrode. So these are hydrogen electrode. So these are types of non-metal electrodes. So oxygen electrode, chlorine electrode, hydrogen. Anyway, hydrogen electrodes are known as a standard hydrogen electrode. So these are one type of point. And another one is complete. So write down. And the next one is redox half cell. Next to redox half cell. Redox, we know in stoichiometric redox means both oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. Redox half cell. In redox half cell means generally in redox half cell when a platinum is dipped into a solution of into a solution containing two different oxidation states, two different oxidation states, two different oxidation states of metal ions, two different oxidation states of metal ion within bracket M of N1 plus M of N2 plus. Here N2 is higher than N1. So that is it. So redox reaction. So redox of cell means in redox of cell when a platinum is dipped into a solution containing two different oxidation states of metal ion M of N1 plus M of N2 plus. Here N2 is higher than N1. So N2 is higher than N1. Here now the representation of cell. The representation of redox of cell is the representation of reduction of cell is here simply here platinum or M of N1 plus within bracket C1M or next to M of N2 plus under C2M. So M of N1 plus C1M, M of N2 plus C2M. That is the representation of redox of cell is so platinum M of N1 plus C1M, M of N2 plus C2M. So it is the representation of redox of cell. So general in redox of cell when function as a anode like that. So write down first the representation of redox of cell. Write down the representation of redox of cell. Write down these points. After that next redox of cell the ionic of cell reaction represents as here platinum bar M bar N1 plus M bar N2 plus. The ionic of cell reaction represented as platinum simply Mn1 plus gives rise to Mn2 plus. Here C1M gives rise to M of N2 plus C2M. The ionic of cell reaction represents as next one is these are all ionic of cell reaction. Ionic means losing of electron. Next plus N2 minus N1 electron. N2 minus N1 electron. Next case. The The cathodic off-cell reaction represents as cathodic means reduction, that means reverse. So M of N2 plus C2M plus N2 minus N1 electron gives rise to here M of N1 plus concentration M and platinum. Okay, so write down this equation, the cathodic and anodic reactions. Write down. So write down first the formula. The ionic off-cell reaction represents as. Otherwise, some books here in Platinum not mentioned anyway. So, a redox off reaction, platinum rod is dipped into the solution of metal ion containing two different oxygen states. Their first one is Mn1 plus 1 oxygen state, Mn2 plus oxygen state. Anyway, N2 is higher than that of N1. Plus 2 plus 3, suppose. Plus 2 plus 3. Here I am taking plus 2, here I have plus 3. Which one is more? Plus 3. Plus 3 is more than 2 plus 2, like that. Anyway, in this case, N2 is always greater than to N1. So this type of. Otherwise, simply, so these are anodic and cathodic cell reaction. Or simply another. The cathodic off-cell simply M anode. Simply it is also correct. M of N1 plus C1M gives rise to M of N2 plus C2M plus N2 minus N1 electron. It is also correct. Anyone okay? Before also correct, here also. The cathodic off-cell reaction reverse. M N2 plus C2M plus N2 minus N1 electron gives rise to M of N1 plus and C1M. So these are cathodic, these are anodic. Before what I explained, that also correct. So write down it is also. Here concentration no need mentioned simply. Okay. The cell representation required here no need. So these are anodic off-cell reaction, these are cathodic off-cell reaction. Anyway, this type of off-cell reactions are some more examples. So in redox order, now I will give first diagram. So these are N1, N2. Number of electron loses more means that is a oxidation. Number of electrons lose the number of electron less means that is a reduction reaction. So these are oxidation, these are reduction. So that is M of N1 plus. Next one is structure. a platinum wire, here metal ion, that means Mn1 plus C1m and Mn2 plus C2m. Okay, that is a redox of cell. Redox of cell. Dear students, confusion? Not confusion, no need. Okay, just listen. Tomorrow I will start the next concept. That is a very important for IP point of view also. Tomorrow I will start galvanic cell. Tomorrow concept very important, easy also. For IP purpose also required. Okay. Anyway, these are redox of cell. This type of redox of cells, such as examples of redox. This type of examples of this type of cells. Examples of such this type of cells. Examples are this type of cells. This type of cell means redox of cells. This type of means redox of cells. Redox of cells. Examples are first platinum, chromium 2 plus C1m and chromium 3 plus C2m. These are example 1. Or another example. Here example 1. Example platinum Fe2 plus C1m and Fe3 plus C2m. This is example 2. And example 3. Platinum Fe2 plus Fe3 plus chromium. Tin Sn plus 2 C1m and Sn plus 4. 2 plus and 4 plus. It is a C2m. So these are all our examples of redox of cell reactions. Redox of cell. I given more examples: chromium, ferrosulfuric, and stannous and stannic. So these are all our examples of this type of redox of cell reaction. In redox of cell reaction, both metal ions are oxidizing and reducing agent. You know, oxidizing agent means losing the electron. Reducing agent means oxidizing means gaining of electron. Reducing means losing of electron. Oxidizing means gaining of electron. Reducing means losing of electron. Anyway, in such type of redox of cells. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent both as metal ions. Metal ions act as a oxidizing agent and reducing agent. It is a redox of cell. So write down redox of cell. Next another one is in organic molecules. Redox of cell also be made with. So redox of cell can also be made with organic molecules which exist between two different oxidation states. For example, organic molecules hydroquinone and quinone both forms redox of cell. Now I will write another one is next one is redox of cell can also be made with organic molecules, organic molecules can exist between, can exist between two different oxidation states, two different oxidation states. So organic molecules like organic molecules, so organic molecules oxidation state, organic molecules like hydroquinone, 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 hydroquinone and quinone, and quinone, hydroquinone, quinone, quinone forms, hydroquinone and quinone forms redox of cell, redox of cell. The representation of cell, the representation of cell reaction, the representation of cell reaction when function as anode, when function has anode. For example, now I am taking the representation of cell reaction when function as the representation of cell. So the representation of the off cell, redox of cell, sorry. The representation of the redox of cell. Redox of cell. Redox of cell. Here platinum. Here platinum. Here hydroquinone means considered as a Q of H2. Simply Q of H2. Q means quinone. Hydroquinone means Q of H2. Quinone means only Q. Only Q means quinone. Q of H2 means hydroquinone. Shortcut formula. In this case, platinum Q of H2 within bracket 1 molar. Within bracket 1 molar. After that, Q 1 molar concentration. That means H plus Cm. Cm means concentration and molarity. Simply redox of cell. So redox of cell simply with respect to organic molecules, P of QH2 1 molar, Q of 1 molar. That means 1 molar. That means H plus Cm. Cm means concentration and molarity. So write down. It is a best example. So write down. Next, so anyway, I am explaining before redox of cell one type of model. Second, with respect to organic chemistry, organic molecules. Organic molecules like that hydroquinone and quinone also forms redox of cell. Best example. And another one is dianodic of cell, dianodic of cell reaction represented as simply anodic, like that. Plus 2H plus 2 electrons, or simply or simply Q of H2 gives H2 Q plus 2H plus and 2 electron. Here Q means hydroquinone. Hydroquinone. So these are so these are quinone, these are hydroquinol. Sorry, these are quinol, hydroquinol. Sorry, hydroquinol. Sorry, hydroquinol. So these are quinone. Sorry. Before I explained some books they mentioned hydroquinone. Hydroquinol. What is hydroquinol? Hydroquinol. So these are a simple example. Q of H2 equal to Q plus. These are hydroquinol. These are quinone. 2H plus 2 electron. Anyway, these are losing of electron. So that is redox of cell reaction. Redox of cell reaction. So these are redox means both oxidation and reduction. So write down this concept. Write down. Dear students, following tough one. I thought maybe just confusing some concepts, confused type concepts. No need, all are easy, no problem. From tomorrow, I will start the next concept that is very easy, no problem. So electrochemistry means some concepts confuse, remaining concepts very easy. Physical chemistry means some concepts are tough concepts. Physical chemistry concepts, some concepts, tough concepts. Once try. So these are different types of single electrodes. And the last one is simply so these are redox of cell. So redox of cell. In redox of cell in organic molecules, hydroquinol and quinone. So hydroquinol and quinone. So these are forms of redox of cell reaction. Redox of cell. Okay, next another one is last one is, these are last ones. Calomel electrode. Calomel electrode, these are last concept. So here types of electrodes, these are last concept. Calomel electrode. In calomel electrode consists of mercury. Calomel electrode consists of mercury covered with mercurous chloride. In contact with the solution of KCl. Contact with the KCl. That is a calomel electrode. Calomel electrode. A calomel electrode consists of calomel electrode consists of mercury covered with calomel electrode consists of mercury covered with or coated with mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride means Hg2Cl2. Mercurous chloride contact with the solution of KCl. contact with the solution of KCl, that is a calomel electrode. Calomel electrode. So calomel electrode means, calomel electrode consists of mercury covered with mercurous chloride, contact with the solution of KCl, contact with the solution of KCl. In calomel electrode, simply representation. So here generally Hg liquid, HgCl2 solid gives rise to 2Hg, but these are liquid, plus 2Cl minus, that is a aqueous solution. So write down. So the calomel electrode or symbolic cell reaction, symbolic HgCl2 solid gives rise Cl minus aqueous, that is a symbol, that is a better cell reaction. You have no need to write down, these are better. Now writing here once again, the calomel electrode representation of cell reaction, symbolic Hg liquid, Hg2Cl2, Hg liquid, HgCl2 mercurous chloride is a solid, here Cl minus aqueous, that is a calomel electrode. Here how many chlorides is there? 2 chlorides. In equation I will give. Simply calomel electrode. In calomel electrode, now writing calomel electrode. It is a mercury, a KCl solution. Here Hg2Cl2 plus Hg, here Hg, these are different. Write down first calomel electrode construction. Okay, calomel electrode. Write down calomel electrode. Here salt bridge. Salt bridge concept next class I will explain. Salt bridge separate concept is there. These are one type of solution. Okay, students, completed. The structures simply you can write enough. Simply you can write structures. Here also these solutions separate, these solutions separate. These are mercury. Here KCl solution middle here there, or simply these are separate. They are separate. These are separate. Completed. And the other one is the potential of calomel electrode is up to here potential not given. The potential of calomel electrode is nearly 0.2422 volts. The potential of calomel electrode is how much? 0.2422 volts. That is a calomel electrode. Calomel electrode. Next another one is oxidation. Anode reaction. The anode reaction of calomel electrode is the anodic reaction. Anodic reaction of calomel electrode is, anode means losing of electron. So here losing of electron means simply Hg liquid, Hg to Cl2 gives rise to Hg liquid, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 n log of 1 by colloid ion concentration square. This concept, next concept related, this formula. Don't worry, after that I will explain. These concepts are interrelated. And cathodic reaction of calomel electrode is E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n log of Cl minus square. That is a anodic reaction and cathodic reaction. Next class, so these are not completed. Calomel electrode also next also is there. Here extra information. Don't worry about that concept. Okay? So these are not completed. Remaining concept in calomel electrode next class I will explain. Don't worry. So these are calomel electrode. In calomel electrode means one type of electrode. In calomel electrode consists of mercury covered with mercurous chloride solution. Mercurous chloride solution in contact with the solution of KCl, potassium chloride. So that is a calomel electrode. Okay students, today enough. So remaining concept, these are continuation next class. After that I will start next very important concept next period. Okay, so once practice them, anyone doubts to once ask contact with my phone number. Okay? So that is a different types of concept. They are not completed. They are continuation on next class I will say. Thank you for all.